I want to represent this inequality on this number line. I can see that x is between -2 and 4, so I draw a little circle at the -2 and a little circle at the 4. Because x is between these two numbers, I draw a line to show that x can be anything in between these two. Now this means that x can be equal to -2, and the convention is that we show this by colouring in the circle. This symbol means that x is strictly less than 4, so x can't be equal to 4, and we leave the circle uncoloured. This represents this inequality on the number line. Here's another one. So this time x is in between -3 and 2, so I draw a circle at -3, a circle at 2, and I join them together. X can be equal to 2, so I colour this one in, but it has to be strictly greater than -3, so I leave this one uncoloured. This is my answer. Here are two for you to try. You'll need to draw the number lines out onto paper. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Now this question is almost the opposite of what we've just done. We're given a diagram and we're asked to write down the inequality shown. I can see that x is in between -4 and 3, so I'm going to start by writing -4 and 3 with x in between them. X is greater than -4 and less than 3, so my inequality symbols always go this way round. Now it's not allowed to be -4, so I leave this as it is, but it is allowed to be 3, so I put an equals part under here. This is the inequality shown on the diagram. Here are 3 for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. As soon as you know what an integer is, this kind of question is straightforward. An integer just means a whole number. So y is any whole number in between -3 and 4. So I'm going to write -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now if I look at the inequality symbols, I can see that y is allowed to be -3, so I leave this in, but y is not allowed to be 4, so I cross this out. These are the possible values of y. So for this one, x is in between -1 and 6, so I write down all the whole numbers from -1 to 6. And then I look at the inequalities. X is not allowed to be -1, so I scribble this one out. And it's also not allowed to be 6, so I scribble this one out. These are the possible values of x. Here are 2 of those for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers.